Okay, we are still in Lexington, Kentucky, and I found this studio that has a pretty nice vibe. It's actually a natural light studio, but it is natural. You see some light coming in, but I'll probably still use flash or whatever the case. But take a look around. It's pretty nice.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are, mysterious. That's the part you always show, 'cause you're too curious. Maybe.
Okay, after 3 long years, we are back with Miss Faith, okay? And we are in this studio I found in Lexington, Kentucky. We have this setup inspired by her, okay? And we're gonna do some cloning and fixing of that right there. So don't mind that, okay? But we got a 1-light setup, AD300 36 softbox, and we got the Nikon Z7II. And now here I'm kind of getting a few different angles, so I like this angle. And let's see what we get. 1, 2. Perfect. Okay. I got her to come outside. She was hiding from me, y'all. Perfect. Alright, and I got my power at 1/8. Perfect. And a couple more. And don't be afraid to move in and out to get those angles, y'all. Gotta get those angles. Okay. Oh, I love that right there. That's fire right there. All right. Let's see what we got.
That's exactly what I envisioned in my head.
Yeah, I like that angle too. All right. There, but right here. Oh. And then yeah, put your feet in the seat. And yeah. Boom. All right. Let's see. 1, 2. Perfect. All right. Let's see. All right. 1, 2. And you can give me that, and you can kind of come right here, yeah. And you can kind of arch your, yeah, there you go. There she, ooh, okay. Okay, Kentucky Blue. Perfect. There we go. 1, 2. Perfect. Perfect. Fire. Get some head on. Perfect. Yeah. Boom. You could take your other leg and do it like that one. So you're more like, boom. Yeah. Let's see. Gonna be in the corner. Perfect. 1, 2. That's it. Perfect. Hold on 1 second. Perfect. Okay. There we go. 1, 2. Gorgeous. Boom. And then let me get that right hand, and you can kind of right there. Yeah. 1, 2. Perfect. That's it. Boom. There you go. Boom. And then take the right hand across it over your left. Yeah. 1, 2. Perfect. Okay, you all. So we got some fire in the other room. And now just gonna try to play with the natural light in here and see what else we can get. So let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah, I think I need to get a little bit of B-roll too. So this room will actually be good for the off guard, her kind of looking at herself in the mirror and all of that type of stuff, and then put it together with the shots over there. So I think that would be perfect. Okay, so let's see. If you kind of lounge right there, let me see what the natural light looks like in here. 1, 2. Can you do that same thing? Do it to that window though. So switch your body. Yeah. Boom. And so I'm adjusting her because all the light is coming from the window. So we want to utilize that light. Boom. There you go. Perfect. There we go. Boom. And then I'm gonna have you stand up, and I want you to kind of lean on that side. Yeah, you can put your shoulder like right there. Yeah, and almost like you kind of. Perfect. 1, 2. There you go. Gorgeous. Boom. Yeah. 1, 2. And what if you point your toes? Yeah. There you go. And kind of just flat with it so that you kind of like perfect. Boom. Perfect.